Welcome to this spoken tutorial on prevention of undernourishment in infants. In this tutorial, we will learn about breastfeeding, complementary foods, lactating mother's nutrition, and feeding during illness. First, we will talk about breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is recommended up to 2 years of life. Exclusive breastfeeding is mandatory for first 6 months of life. Mother's milk takes care of nutrition needs till first 6 months. Next, we will move on to complementary foods. After 6 months, breast milk is insufficient for a baby. Other foods should be given in addition. These foods are called complementary foods. It includes porridges, boiled dals, carrot puree, vegetable purees, mashed eggs, and fruit purees. Mothers can add peanut powder, sesame seed powder in baby's food. It will make food more nutritious. Now we will look at the amount of food required for a baby. Initially, 1 tablespoon of food should be given, then go up to 4 tablespoons during 7th month. Amount and consistency should be improved further as per the age. Next, we will move on to lactating mother's nutrition. Mothers should take care of their own nutrition too. Mothers should eat balanced diet which includes variety of foods. There are some food items which improves quality and quantity of breast milk, such as methi seeds and halim seeds. Various recipes of methi seeds are methi seeds gravy, methi vadi, and methi laddu. Various recipes of halim seeds are halim laddu, soak halim seeds in milk and drink it, and halim vadi. Now we will look at feeding during illness. During illness, babies may lose weight, hence proper feeding during illness is important. Increase fluid intake during illness. Encourage baby to eat. Breastfeed frequently during illness. This brings us to the end of this tutorial on prevention of undernourishment in infants. In this tutorial, we learnt about breastfeeding recommendations, complementary feeding, lactating mother's nutrition, breastmilk enhancers, and feeding during illness. Watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial Project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, give certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to us. Spoken Tutorial Project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the following link. This is Rajni Savan from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for joining.